Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna mail.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Alright, you guys, so I'm so excited to get into today's Happy Mail. It arrived at my door. First of all, I got a shipping notification and I was like, wait, hold up, wait a minute. What I order. But no, I am so, y'all know how, look, let me calm down. Me and my soul together. I was out running errands and I came home and boom, it was here. It's Notiq. Y'all know how I feel when I get Notiq in my hands. Okay, but I was not expecting this. Like, it's so big. It is so big. But sis shipped it pretty quickly. So she wanted me to have this here, and I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer, especially because I know some of y'all gonna get some money for Christmas. So I want to make sure you know when you get your money, you can spend it wisely and spend it on some Notiq goodness. Oh my gosh, this is so big. Like, I did the video like this because this envelope was so big it wasn't gonna fit on my desk. Look at this. It's like a goals. Does this have a, wow, hold on, we got, because there's more in here. So before I can get in down to it. Okay, whew, there we go. I got a special note from Viv, and you guys know whenever you order from Viv, she sends you a handwritten note, and I love that so much. That added personal touch is everything to me. So since we're in here, I wanted to see what is all in this thing, honey, because I saw the goals pack. If you guys haven't seen it on the website, it's super cute, and on her Instagram, she takes the cutest pictures for her products. Like, I love it. Okay. Thank you again and again for being an instrument of God's blessings to me this year. My story is incomplete without you in it. I love you very much, and may your new year be full of mind-blowing testimonies. Warmly, Viv. I love her so much. Like, you guys don't understand. I know I talk about it all the time, but that partnership, when you actually partner up with someone who not only believes in their products, believes in themselves, but then they turn around, they believe in you too. Like, it's amazing, and it just has been working, and I get so excited about receiving products from her. So yeah, this is no different. I know I be trying like to keep my composure, but it's so hard to. Y'all, this stuff be so beautiful. It be so making me feel all fancy dancy and stuff, like flip my hair back. Like, that's how it makes me feel when I open it up. So if I'm not mistaken, yes, these are for the wall. So you can just stick these all over your wall. So you can create a vision board with these cards, and you can put them all over your wall. I have a picture. I'll insert a picture of how she has a design, but look at this. Okay, so it has vision. I'm trying not to mess these up. Gratitude. Focus. This one said, look, I had to look because it said, I'm looking at it backwards on the screen. Efficient. Oh, okay. Love. Health and wealth. Excellence. These are some. Do y'all hear that? Okay. Give. Wise and planning. Come on now. Elegance. I was finna say this, but it's it's discipline. See, I gotta get myself together. Consistent. This the one. All my stuff gonna be centered around this word here. Consistent. Start and finish. Come on, somebody. Best. Oh, y'all. Move your hand, Shell. Move your hand. It says rest. That's another one. Create. Happiness. Stability. Y'all remember, what show was it on? She was like, and I want some stability. Anyway, that was probably one of the ratchet shows I'll be watching. But stability, that's a good one. Grace. Faith and grace. Wisdom. Resilient. Come on now. Ooh. Quiet. I'm gonna let that one hold on for a second, because sometimes we just got to be quiet in these times so that we're able to hear what he wants to give to us. Y'all got to learn how to be quiet. This is a good one too. And this one says courage. I wonder, I could probably flip these cards. I know exactly where I want to put them, more than likely on this wall back here, I'm going to stick them over there right behind my Peloton. I think that's going to give me what I want. And then success. Oh, this one says read, read clearly, daily progress, simplicity. That's what I'm trying to get to. Simplicity, knowledge, confident. Come on, confidence. And then hope, structure. Okay. Strength. And then, of course, it has the Notiq sign, and this will be going up on the wall, okay? Because this is a part of my vision as well, okay? Because y'all know I love me some Notiq. So I love the fact that you get all these cards, and then you'll put them up on your wall as you want them to. And I feel like this could be like a quarterly thing where we change them out after we see what we're doing and kind of make that the thing. So maybe I'll do like 5 each quarter. I'll have to count the cards. I don't know how many cards came in there. I'll count the cards and I'll split them up and then work on different sections throughout the year and like my overall like vision for the year. I really feel like that's gonna be the move. That's gonna be the move, y'all. That is really gonna be the move. I'm so excited about that. Okay, then we have this one here, and this is the goals. It's like a big old poster. Let me see. Hold on. Look, I mean, okay. So these were in here. Oh, they're like mini ones. We got mini ones, y'all. Wow. Okay. So I think these are the mini ones of the big ones. So I can put these in my planner. Oh, yes, 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 yes. I'm so here for this. Okay, so here are the mini cards as well, and they have the same things on them that we saw in the other one. Happiness, discipline, gratitude. They're just mini, so you can stick them or do a smaller board if you wanted to do a smaller one. If you're doing your vision board, if you guys aren't part of the Bestie Squad, we are actually doing a vision board party. It'll be December 30th. We're going to be having a vision board party with us, putting together what we want to happen for next year. Manifestation, trying to get our lives together. Okay. So if you guys want to, you can join me for that. And we definitely will be using those. And then we have our goals board here. So up here at the top, you can write, it says type of goal, the time frame, and then you write in what your goals are. And then down here, and how many of these we get? 1, 2. Oh, and then it changes to the side. Y'all, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, so I was looking at this one this way, right? So this one is vertical. And then she said, go on back. And you get a horizontal. So however you want to hang it on your wall. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this. So I got 2 of those. And then let's see how many of these we get. Okay, so then we get 2 of these. 1, 2. This is like, when I tell y'all, baby Jesus be knowing, because this is right on time, okay? Then we have the blank dotted grid, but it's on the board. So this is perfect for your vision board, okay? And then we have the square grid. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm sorry, y'all. My lights are so amazing that sometimes they can be a little too bright. But these are the boards here. Put those down, see what else we got back here. Okay, and then just the backing. But this could be used as a board too now. Don't sleep on it. I think this was just to hold them all together, but you definitely can use this and stick it up and put your vision board together. Now, once we do have the vision board party, I will come back and walk through the vision. Ride the vision. See, I can't do multiple things at one time because I be start singing, forgetting I'm supposed to be doing a whole video. Look, listen now. Come on. So I will post my vision board and we can talk about it so I can walk through it with you guys. What my ideas are, what I see myself doing for next year. And I really like taking the time at the beginning of each year to do my goal setting, to really do my vision boards and make them realistic and attainable. 2020 was the year that my vision board like just kind of went out the window. And I don't know no other way to say it, kind of just went out the window. I'm just thankful to be here. You know what I'm saying? Like at one point in 2020, I was like, if I gain weight, that's fine. At one point I was like, if I'm just, if I could just survive 2020 God willing, just let me survive 2020, and I will work on my vision board coming back for next year. And I know that may not have been everybody's testimony. A lot of people stuck to their plans, and that's fine too. You know, if you like me, I got a little discouraged at certain points, and other points I had a, you know, really burst of energy, but it was just a difficult year, and we've all been in this year together. So it's okay if you did not reach your goals. That's what I was getting at. If you did not reach that vision that came on your vision board, it's okay. Let's rewrite it for next year. All of us were faced with some things that we have never faced before. We've never been a part of. And I think I was reading a meme somewhere, was like talking about 80s babies. We've survived financial crisis, a pandemic, war. Like we've had, our generation has been through quite a lot. Okay. And this year was a testament of your faith to just see how you could really, you know, just say, okay, all right, I'm good. Long as I just keep living. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm good. I'm gonna just let you have it. Whatever your will is, go ahead, go forth. So it really was a test of not just, you know, your faith. I'm talking about mine. It was a test of my faith, just to make sure that I stayed on top of things. And I'm just so grateful and thankful, you guys, because so many good things have happened, even in the midst of the storms. And it was honestly just me lifting my hands and saying, you got this year, God. This one, this one's on you. You know, I'm gonna put in a little bit of work, but I'm gonna let you do what you do. Okay. And so next year, my theme is bet on you. Period. So I'm betting on me. I kind of went into that theme this year, but I really want that to be my main focal point, is really putting more emphasis on the things that I know that I need to do to increase my well-being for not just me, but for my son, for my family, for everything. And if I bet on me and don't depend on other people to do things, really putting that focus on me. Can you focus on me? I tried really, if y'all could read my brain right now, I tried really hard not to go there, but I did. Okay. So anyways, that's just my tidbit. You guys, I'm so in love with this. Like, I cannot wait. I want to do my vision board tonight, but we got to get past, let me get past Krima first, and then I can get into my vision board party. But woo, okay, I'm so excited, y'all. This just does this not make you want to just go create some goals? Like, I want to go get that fat jumbo Sharpie and get to writing down some juicy goals and stuff. Yeah, I said juicy goals. I'm ready to write down some stuff that's going to like hit the thing, make that thing happen, and check it off, baby. I'm ready to get going. This makes me want to do this, okay? I can't wait to put this up all over the house. I'm probably going to give Bubba one, because he could really have one for each quarter of the year. Just some things that he wants. Listen, I done came up with a whole thing. This about to be lit. Okay, so I hope you guys will go ahead and check out Notiq. Use my discount code down below so you can save as well. And I want to know, what are your goals for this year? What do you have in mind? Like, would you want to get this? Because I know this is like taking the stress off of me. All I got to do is find some little cute pictures to add to each one to kind of, you know, boop, 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 boop. Make it pop a little bit if I want to on the actual board, but I can't wait to put the wall on again. Like, I'm just so excited. So y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know what you like most about this goals collection. What are you going to be picking up? Thank you so much, Viv and team, for sending me this. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful year whenever you're watching this. It's never too late to start putting your goals together, to put a goal together for the week, to put one together for the day, the month, the year. You have the option to start over at any given time, because we were given grace every day that we wake up. So it's not too late. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah. KK. Bye.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing